Oh, it's poison oak.
What?
Got him. I'm actually not sure, to be honest, so.
I don't either, but I feel like it's fine.
I mean, that's what poison ivy and oak are.
Times that I've seen you lose your way, you're not in control, and you won't be told. All I can do to keep you safe is hold you close till you can breathe on your own. Till you can breathe.
Okay, it is 10:50 in the morning, 11 a.m. Me and Riley are feeling almost pretty much better. Mentally, I don't know. There's some work to be done. But we're gonna head to Glacier today because this is Phil's last official day of paternity leave. As you can tell, he's not very happy about it. He's kind of bummed. So we're gonna go to Glacier and try to enjoy this last day. I'm slightly nervous about him going back because it's been really nice having help, and now we're in the middle of nowhere, so everything I need to get done is gonna be 1,000 times harder. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Ruby's here. Say hi, Ruby. Riley's here. Say hi, Riley. Yeah. Yeah. We had a great morning outside. Riley was playing around, yeah, with some flowers and with Ruby. And now we're just going to get a to-do list done before we head out. We've learned you don't go to the parks first thing in the morning because that's when all the traffic is there. You wait. So this is us waiting.
Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell.
All right, are we finally ready to go?
Yeah.
We've had to turn around and get stuff in the RV and do stuff like way too often. We need to build another checklist for just leaving the RV for a little bit. Are you ready, Riley?
Your haunted dreams tonight. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. Let go.
Riley's up.
We gotta find a way to get you out the boo.
We made it to Avalanche Trail. Now we're going. Let's go!
I didn't realize there's a literal bag of trash in our truck bed.
Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Riley's playing with pens and she's stabbing Mama. We're ready. Are we ready, Riley? Let's go, baby!
Ha, 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 ha.
Oh, gosh.
Let's go, baby.
Phil just had me chug coffee, so I'm ready. I'm ready.
Everyone keeps a darker place to lose control. You're not alone. And when you come looking for embrace, I know your soul. I'll be your home. Till you can.
Okay. We decided to go on this adventure. I think we started everything around like noon. Now it's 3:30 and we're finally going to start going on the hike.
Okay, yep.
It's been a long day.
Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. Let go of all your haunted dreams tonight. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. Let go of all your haunted dreams tonight. I've been giving you hell.
Real nice looking pool of water right here.
And I won't let you down.
We made it to the trailhead.
Avalanche is 1.8 one way. That's not bad. I could do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You never think that you can fly. You'll always swim against the tide. Don't you know your pain is mine?
So someone walking on the trail said they saw a bear, probably a 3-year-old brown bear. So we're keeping our eyes open, trying to stay bear aware. This is a beautiful hike. It feels good to be hiking again. It's been too long. It's a different experience hiking after being sick though.
Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. Let go of all your haunted dreams tonight. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell.
Riley's favorite place, the dirt.
Times that I've seen you lose your way,
You're coming,
not in control. You won't be told.
you got your eyes on the
All I
prize.
can do to keep you safe is hold you close till you.
Oh, it's poison oak.
What?
Got him. I'm actually not sure, to be honest. So
I don't either, but I feel like it's fine. It's a rock plant.
I mean, that's what poison ivy and oak are. Plants.
A rock plant?
Yeah, they're vines.
Go away.
Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell, darling. Let go.
All right, we're done. We're out of here. We gotta get out of here before Riley gets cold. We didn't bring a jacket. It's beautiful weather, but the temperature's gonna drop fast. You ready? You ready, baby girl? You gonna nap on the way back? Let's go. And we're off, little mama. Time for a nap. If I end up needing to take off my shirt so she has cup warmth, we can do that.
I've been giving you hell, darling. Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell, I've been giving you hell, darling. Let go of all your haunted dreams tonight.
I think we'll be back.
I've been giving you hell, I won't let you down.
We're off to the mall. We are not going to be sitting in that tiny box all day in the rain.
We're going to a big box.
We're going to go to a big box. Yes.
Everyone keeps a darker place to lose control. You're not alone.
Is it?
And when you come looking
Riley,
for
is it cold?
embrace, I know your soul. I'll be your home.
Really?
You breathe on your
No way.
you can breathe.